The new Range Rover Velar is a pure expression of modern luxury, featuring the latest technology, trademark Range Rover refinement, and a dramatic, clean, and reductive new design. A new grille combines with the characteristic floating roof, unbroken waistline, and flush deployable door handles that define the world's most desirable luxury SUV family. New super slim pixel LED headlights provide a technical jewel-like appearance and optimized visibility, while the exterior is enhanced by a new lower rear bumper and dark accents. Range Rover's reductive design philosophy continues inside. A new single floating 11.4-inch curved glass touchscreen is integrated into the center console, providing immediate and intuitive control to all key vehicle functions. Meanwhile, a crafted interior features redesigned seats and new colors and materials, including a leather-free cabin option.
New Range Rover Velar is a flawless example of our modernist design philosophy: clean, reductive, and compellingly desirable. Defined by perfectly optimized proportions, Range Rover Velar embodies effortless sophistication with a bold elegance and dramatic presence that is truly unique,
said Jerry McGovern, Chief Creative Officer, Jaguar Land Rover. New Range Rover Velar pushes the boundaries of pixel LED lighting technology with advanced pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, DRLs. Standard on dynamic HSE and autobiography, the system features 3 times as many LEDs as matrix LED headlights. Each headlight features 4 pixel modules with 67 precisely controlled LEDs in each one to accurately adapt to the conditions and the road ahead and provide the most effective forward beam. The new Range Rover Velar has power to suit every client, including the P400e plug-in electric hybrid. It is available alongside a range of smooth ingenium petrol and diesel engines, all featuring mild hybrid electric vehicle (MHEV) technology that boosts fuel efficiency and performance.